Hola, hola amigos. Welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Briggs, El Señor Briggs. I'm a registered, certified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Today, a very practical video once again. If you ever go overseas and you like shopping and checking different articles, souvenirs, you'll always, most times, you'll get a salesperson coming up to you and asking you, ¿Puedo ayudarte? Or ¿Puedo ayudarle? Can I help you? How would you tell that person that you're just looking around, that you don't want to be bothered? Because sometimes you need time just to check the articles on your own. Well, we are just about to learn this handy phrase, and I will also show you a few other ways in which you can express and communicate to the salesperson that you're simply looking and that you would like to be left alone. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please click the button and subscribe. I have more than 1,100 videos for you. And by subscribing, you will help me to continue producing free videos for you. And by the way, that could be my neighbor. If you can hear a bit of talking in the background, that could be my neighbor. They're really lovely. They're from the Philippines, and they speak a little bit of Spanish. As I was saying, you may want to tell the person, I'm just looking. I'm simply checking around. I'm fine, thank you. So I'm going to teach you a few ways in which you can say this in a polite manner, but also in a way that you can be left alone. Excellent, amigos. So are you ready? Fantastico. Now make sure that you listen and you repeat. So listen to my pronunciation carefully and repeat each time. Muy bien. Are we ready? Let us begin. Today's video is entitled, How to Say I'm Just Looking in Spanish. I'm just looking in Spanish is solo estoy mirando. Solo estoy mirando. Solo estoy mirando. Solo estoy mirando. Now, if you want to say, I'm just looking, thank you, a little bit more polite, you would say, solo estoy mirando, gracias. Solo estoy mirando, gracias. Solo estoy mirando, gracias. Solo estoy mirando, gracias. And if you want to say, I'm just looking, but if I need help, I'll let you know, you would say, solo estoy mirando, pero si necesito ayuda, te avisaré. Solo estoy mirando, pero si necesito ayuda, te avisaré. Solo estoy mirando, pero si necesito ayuda, te avisaré. In most bookstores, you'll always get somebody asking you if you need help. So if you want to say, I'm just looking at some books, I don't need help for now, you would say, solo estoy mirando algunos libros. No necesito ayuda por ahora. Por ahora means for now. Solo estoy mirando algunos libros. No necesito ayuda por ahora. Siguiente, next one. If you are checking some souvenirs, you could say, I'm just looking at souvenirs. I'm not going to buy anything yet. Solo estoy mirando los recuerdos. Aún no voy a comprar nada. Solo estoy mirando los recuerdos. Aún no voy a comprar nada. Solo estoy mirando algunos recuerdos, no voy a comprar nada. And if you happen to be in a furniture store, you can say, I'm just looking at sofas to get an idea of the prices. Solo estoy mirando los sofás para hacerme una idea de los precios. Solo estoy mirando los sofás para hacerme una idea de los precios. A lot of people love jewels. So if you want to say, I'm just looking at the jewelry, thanks for asking, you would say, solo estoy mirando las joyas, gracias por preguntar. Solo estoy mirando las joyas, gracias por preguntar. Gracias por preguntar means thanks for asking. So let's recap. If you want to say I'm just looking, you would say solo estoy mirando. 3 sílabas, 3 syllables. Solo estoy mirando. Now we're going to increase this speed a little bit more. Solo estoy mirando. In Spanish, just like in English, we tend to join words together. Solo estoy mirando. This makes it sound more natural. After all, nobody speaks solo estoy mirando. All right, let's practice this one more time. Notice how I joined the words together. Solo estoy mirando. Solo estoy mirando. Solo estoy mirando. Let us switch to native speaker speed. Solo estoy mirando. Solo estoy mirando. Solo estoy mirando. Excelente. Repeat. Okay, amigos, so how did you go? How was that lesson? Were you able to listen and capture the essence of these phrases? Did you struggle a little bit with the pronunciation? Don't worry. Do not worry at all. Just simply make sure that you watch this video again until you perfect your pronunciation. If you notice, I pronounce the phrases very slowly and then I speak at the same speed as a native speaker. In that way, you get accustomed to that great big sound of Spanish. Now, somebody was asking me, Mr. Briggs, will you be uploading more videos discussing strategies to learn Spanish? Absolutely. I have another video that we'll be uploading very soon. This video will help you to learn 5 mistakes to avoid. So stay tuned, click that button, and subscribe. Muy bien, amigos. It's been a real pleasure to see you. Please do not forget I have more than 1,000 videos for you to check. Check the links, check the playlist, and let us continue learning Spanish together. Adiós, amigos. Chao, chao. Cuídate.